Good morning to all members of Fellow Warrior Society Philippines, fellow Parañaqueños, and all participants for today's webinar. We are grateful to have you today. I was invited to discuss the role of local government unit in creating a viral hepatitis program and anti-discrimination bill. As an incumbent chairman of the Committee on Health, I am proud to announce that the city government of Parañaque has done several programs in the past to protect and promote the constitutional right to health of the people. Through the years, the City Health Office has offered immediate infant immunization as well as a child and adult vaccinations to battle the virus. This is compliance with Republic Act number 1056, which was enacted in the year 2013. The act declares the month of January of every year as the Liver Cancer and Viral Hepatitis Awareness Prevention Month. The law ensures the meaningful observance of this month through comprehensive education and awareness program by specifically discussing the cause of transmission, consequences, diagnosis, and treatments of the viral hepatitis. For interagencies and multi-sectoral effort, a local government like the City of Parañaque is mandated to coordinate with the national government, with the Department of Health, private entities, and non-government participants organization of the widespread implementation of the program. A perfect example is today's webinar. Collaboration with Hello Warrior Society and other stakeholders to fight hepatitis B and prevent all forms of discrimination upon hepatitis B carriers through the advocacy, research, education, and service. We are here today to give everyone awareness and prevention, to reach out to all levels of society with hope that one day we can say that hepatitis B is no longer a major problem in the Philippines. I'm proud to say that one of the recent initiatives of the city was to pass resolution number 20-206 approved last October 29, 2020, authorizing Honorable Mayor City Edwin Olivares to enter into a partnership agreement with Menarini Philippines for the free hepatitis B screening and implementation of seminars and trainings to raise public awareness of hepatitis B. As a brief background of Menarini Philippines Incorporation, is a domestic corporation engaged in the business of manufacturing pharmaceuticals, which aims to provide the public easy access to hepatitis B screening, symptoms, complications, prevention, and treatment of hepatitis B through implementation of workshops, training, and forums. The City Council approved and passed the resolution because we are one with the company's vision, which to improve the lives of the people. Hepatitis B is a silent pandemic because most people do not have symptoms when they are newly infected or chronically infected. They can unknowingly spread the virus to others to continue silent spread hepatitis B. The good news is that hepatitis B is preventable and treatable. Since testing is the only way to know for sure if one of the infected with HBV, the city government will conduct a screening program with 36,000 kits donated by Menarini Philippines. Thereafter, as part of the agreement, all patients who tested positive for longer than 6 months will be monitored regularly. Expenses will be all covered by the city. The city government of Parañaque recognizes the significant role of the public and private sector partnership to establish and implement programs that will improve the health and safety of its all constituents. We will always be open to any agreement for the benefit of Parañaqueños, and we commit to fight the virus and promote prevention and awareness of hepatitis B, not only in January but all year around. As to effort to prevent discrimination, the city has enacted an ordinance prohibiting any forms of discrimination with corresponding penalties to violators. The government saw the need for these policies and guidelines against discriminatory acts to be implemented to be able to strengthen its enforcement to prosecution. We do not tolerate commission of any acts that will exclude, restrict, curtail the exercise of human right or basic freedom of another. Particularly hepatitis carriers related to their application for employment, education, whether social, cultural, or any other field of public life. As I end my talk, I want to reiterate the city's commitment and vow to do all efforts to ensure the health of the public. We cannot do this without your active participation and support. Together, let's fight liver cancer and hepatitis. Sabay-sabay po tayo. Malusog na tayo, magandang buhay. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat and God bless you.